Using Python 3 in virtualenv. Using virtualenv, I run my projects with the default version of Python 2.7. On one project, I need to use Python 3.4. I use brew install Python 3 to install it on my Mac. Now, how do I create a virtualenv that uses the new version? For example, sudo virtualenv in Python 3. If I try, I get
Simply run. Update after ops edit. There was a bug in the ops version of virtualenv, as described here. The problem was fixed by running.
Python 3 has a built-in support for virtual environments, venv. It might be better to use that instead. Referring to the Dvoks. Creation of virtual environments is done by executing the pivenv script, pivenv break time equals ones, greater than. Update for Python 3.6 and newer. As Portio Beal correctly comments, pivenv is deprecated as of Python 3.6 and the new way is.
I've tried PyAF and it's very handy for switching Python versions, global, local in folder or in the virtualenv. Then install Python version you want. And simply create virtualenv with path to needed interpreter version. That's it, check the version. There are also plugin for PyAF virtualenv, but it didn't work for me somehow.
Install prerequisites. Create a Python 3-based virtual environment. Optionally enable system site packages flag. Set into the virtual environment. Install other requirements using pip package manager. When working on multiple Python projects simultaneously, it is usually recommended to install common packages like pdbpp globally and then reuse them in virtualenv. Using this technique saves a lot of time spent on fetching packages and installing them, apart from consuming minimal disk space and network bandwidth. Django-specific instructions. If there are a lot of system-wide Python packages, then it is recommended to not use system site packages flag, especially during development, since I have noticed that it slows down Django startup a lot. I presume Django environment initialization is manually scanning and appending all site packages from the system path, which might be the reason. Even Python manage.py shell becomes very slow. Having said that, experiment which option works better. Might be safe to just skip system site packages flag for Django projects.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.